Are you confused about Go High Level? If so, you're not alone. I'm the GHL Wizard, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you how Go High Level works step by step, starting from the very beginning. This is going to be a true beginner walkthrough. I'm going to explain what Go High Level is, how it is powerful, the pricing, and how to get started the right way so you do not get overwhelmed. If Go High Level looks confusing at first, that is completely normal. It's a very powerful platform, and powerful platforms often feel overwhelming in the beginning. The key, though, is learning on what to focus on first and what to ignore, because once you understand the basics, everything makes sense. And I know this to be true because I've been using Go High Level for 5 years for my agency and for my salon. And in those 5 years, I've already made all the mistakes so you don't have to. So everything I'm about to show you is the fastest and simplest way to learn Go High Level. And this is the shortcut, guys, that I wish I had when I first got started. So let's jump right in. If you're brand new, Go High Level is an all-in-one business platform. It combines a CRM, AI, marketing tools, automations, messaging, funnels, and a whole bunch of other stuff all in one system. And this is great because instead of paying for a bunch of different tools and having everything in different places, you have everything in one spot for really one price unless you have add-ons. And I'm telling you guys, this can save you a ton of money and a ton of stress. So the first thing you need to do as a beginner is understand which Go High Level plan is for you, and then understanding exactly what features to focus on first so you don't get overwhelmed and you learn this the fastest way possible. So Go High Level has 2 main plans. They have the starter plan and the unlimited plan. And the really big difference is that you can have unlimited clients underneath the unlimited plan, and on the starter, you only can have 3. So that's really the main difference. And a lot of people online will tell you, oh, go jump on this bigger plan immediately. But in all honesty, I'll just keep it real with you. If you're a complete beginner, you don't need to have the big plan because you don't have unlimited clients. It does not make sense. So I would start off with the beginner plan unless you plan on scaling really fast or you say you have a lot of clients. Now, as you see right here, they give you a 14-day free trial. But in my opinion, that is not enough. So what I've done is I've talked to the High Level team and I have secured for you a 30-day free trial. That way you can try the software risk-free for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can move on. No hard feelings. But what I've also done is I've added in a bunch of free goodies to help you on this journey, but I'm also going to throw in some serious free hand-holding, okay, to help you learn this software even faster. I'm talking a private community, the right training videos and systems that you'll need to get started, and 7 live coaching calls per week, even ones where you can talk to me and you can message me whenever you want. That way, you get started the right way. And guys, all of this is free in the link right down below. So we're going to come right into your account. It's going to look just like this. And if it doesn't, it's because you have to click this and switch between agency view, which is admin view, and then sub-account view, which would be client view or business view. Simple as that. Now, before I go through all this, I just want to let you know this will be an ultra beginner friendly video. Okay, it will just be much simpler. But at the end of this video, if you do want a super advanced tutorial, I will link that too. And that video is like 11 hours long and it literally goes over every button. So don't worry, I have you covered either way. So first up, we have the launch pad, and this is how you get started very, very quickly. But even more importantly than that every beginner should know right off the bat is how to get support when you are lost and confused. And it's free as part of the plan. You just click this question mark, okay, and you can either start a Zoom, a chat, or raise a ticket. That way you can get any of your questions answered if you're ever stuck. That is the first beginner thing you must know inside of this dashboard. Then from there, we go through setting up your account really quickly. So first off, you can get High Level on the phone, which is really great. All you got to do is click send link, put your phone number in, and it'll send you the mobile app. Then down here, we have a bunch of actions that are very, very similar. You can connect your Google Business Profile, your Facebook, your chat widget if you want to, generate leads from your website, your WhatsApp if you run an international business, your Stripe if you want to collect payments, Yext if you want to do stuff with SEO, and then WordPress if you want to connect WordPress. And to do any of these, you just click connect and follow the very simple steps. Now for this last one, this is how you add a team member to come inside of High Level to help you. And all you would do is click add, put in their email, click send, and it will send them an invite, and then they can log on, create an account, and then help you with Go High Level. So again, very simply, the Launchpad just helps you get started very quickly. Now we move on to the dashboard. All this is gonna be is a place where you can see all your data, your calls, your leads, your booked appointments, how much money you made. It's just gonna be where all the data, all the numbers reside, so you can see if you're doing well or not and make tweaks accordingly. Then we move on to the conversations tab. This is where you're gonna see all of your conversations in one place, from SMS, from email, from Instagram and Facebook DMs, WhatsApp, and so much more, all in one simple place. And if you want to send a quick message, you can click new, click direct message to send to one person, group message to send to multiple, and then an internal message to message your team, like the team member we talked about before, inside of HighLevel to ask them to do a task or so. And the cool part with HighLevel is with the AI add-ons, if you're really lazy, you can have AI answer all your messages for you so you don't have to. So now we go to the next feature, which is the calendars tab inside of HighLevel. And I just want to let you know, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below. I will answer them personally at any time during this video. So right in calendars, you'll see this will be where you see all of your appointments. And to create a new appointment, you would just click new, the calendar, the appointment title, book appointment, and then you can book it manually. And if you want to create a calendar, you would click calendar settings, come right down here, click new calendar, and you can pick from the calendars they already have set up. That's the beauty of HighLevel. So much stuff is already set up for you. You just have to click it and put your info in, and then it's done. And if you want to see what the calendars look like inside of HighLevel, they look like this, just like Calendly. And a matter of fact, you can actually replace Calendly with HighLevel. So that's the beauty of it. You have an amazing calendar system all in one spot. And if you don't want to switch from Calendly or whatever you're using, you can come to connections. You can click new, and you can actually connect your Google, your Outlook, or your Calendly inside of HighLevel so you don't have to switch. That is how awesome this is. Then we move on to the contacts tab. So anytime a contact enters your HighLevel system, whether it be a form, an email, however, they will get stored all in here. And it's so important to have a list of contacts because this is how you can make a bunch of additional income and let people know about your offers. And this is the CRM side of GoHighLevel. And if you already have a list from another software, you can come click this button right here, import, and you can import an entire CSV or whatever format you have into HighLevel. And if you want to add a contact regularly, we just click add contact. We do name, last name, email, whatever else you want, and it will then be added in. And the cool part too is if we click one of these contacts, we can actually come in and see all of the activity and data based on them. So where they came from, what offers they've clicked. It gives us all the data you could possibly want on a contact. That way you know everyone who is inside your system. So then we move on to the next tab, which is opportunities, which actually has a lot to do with contacts. This is where you can build sales pipelines. For all my sales warriors, this will be your home. This is where you can see all of the leads in your pipeline. So when you have a lead, they can be moved from new lead to hot lead to new booking to sale, however you want it. And you can see everyone who's engaged in your product, who helped on calls, and you can really customize this any which way you want. And this is where the big sales happen inside of GoHighLevel is the pipelines. And they're awesome because you can come right in here, you can click new pipeline, and you can have as many pipelines as you want, and they're so easy to build. You just put in the stage names, click create, and you now have a full marketing pipeline where all your leads can go so your sales is organized and all in one place. And not to get ahead of myself, but when we cover automations later, you'll also learn how to make these pipelines fully automated so you can set it and forget it. And all your sales pipelines can be automated so you save time and mental energy. So then we move on to the payments tab. So this is where you can collect payments and send invoices or estimates. This is very much the money side of HighLevel. You also can create amazing documents and contracts via GoHighLevel. And I actually use this instead of DocuSign and PandaDoc because it is all added in. You can even do stuff with e-commerce. You can create payment links, products, coupons if you want people to save money, connect other payment processors, and so much more. And guys, I'm telling you right now, GoHighLevel makes the payment side of things so easy. You literally just click new, you pick how you want it. Once you have your payment processor connected, you pick a contact and you send, and you are done. It is that easy. And what's crazy is a lot of these features that they just put in high level cost you an extra $30, $40, $50 a month to use. And in high level, it's already all built in. And trust me, it works just as good, if not better. So now we move on to the AI agent section. This is possibly the most valuable thing high level has ever created. In my opinion, it's the best AI you can find anywhere on the market. And guys, you can have AI that can answer your phones, answer messages. It'll do it 24/7 on holidays, on weekends, you name it. And if you don't believe that AI robots can answer the phones, check this out. I need to book an appointment ASAP, like ASAP. My pipes are clogged.
No, sounds like your pipes are staging a protest. Let me check this appointment for you right away. Hang tight. All right.
Now, this is a high-level add-on, but in my opinion, this is possibly the most valuable part of high-level if you're trying to scale a local business or any business for that matter, because this will give you the ability to save so much time because we're always answering phone calls and we're always messaging people. This can literally get rid of all of that. You can even generate AI content like images, videos, and stuff like that, and text, so you don't have to spend time on that either. And the AI is very simple to create. You just come right in, click Create Agent, and follow the steps. So I just want to let you know, in that 30-day free trial link down below, I have a ton of pre-built out AI agents already all done for you, and they are yours free when you sign up with that link below. That way you can get started immediately. So now we move on to the marketing tab inside of GoHighLevel. This is a great way to manage all of your social media in one place. You can connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Threads, your Google Business Profile, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, etc., etc. And then you can create one post and it will go to all of them. This will save you so much time if you're trying to grow your social media. And this feature right here, if you use, this will run you past $200 a month, no joke. And you can get all of this built in with HighLevel. HighLevel also has the amazing ability to send email marketing campaigns, which is an amazing way to get your offer out there and make extra income if you do it right. They also have other amazing features like trigger links that helps you track stuff in your emails. And you can even create an affiliate campaign where other people can go out and sell your stuff for you and get a commission. And HighLevel has this all built in right into one dashboard. And remember, if you have any questions at all during this video, drop them in the comments down below so I can answer them personally so we can be on the exact same page. So now we move on to automation. So essentially what automations do is they automate repetitive tasks. So once you create a system on HighLevel, you use automations to do the work for you so you don't have to. Think working smarter, not harder. And there's multiple different ways you can create an automation. You can use their AI automation builder, which creates for you, or you can come right in here and you can start from scratch, or you can select a template. And this is awesome because they already have these pre-built out so you don't have to do the work. So if you see one of these you like and you want to save a bunch of time, we can come right in here and click choose template. It'll load it and boom, look at that. It already created the entire automation for you so you don't have to. Again, the beauty of HighLevel is it saves you so much time and is really, in my opinion, the ultimate beginner-friendly software because of the amount of pre-built out templates and support they have. And if you want to edit any of your automations, you can click this plus and you can pick up any of the actions. So almost anything you can think of in HighLevel, like something happens, you then can have something else happen. So if someone sends a message, so think if someone fills out a form in your HighLevel website, it then sends them a message. Someone buys your offer, it then sends them the onboarding material to get them started. Whatever you can think of in HighLevel, you can pretty much do with automations, and this will save you so much time. So now we come and we move on to the Sites tab. This is where you can build funnels, websites, forms, and all of that stuff. And I'm telling you right now, I used to use Wix and WordPress when I was building websites, and I canceled both of those because HighLevel legitimately builds better websites and they're so much easier to build. And here's a quick example of a kind of website you can build on HighLevel. And I built this quickly. Looks very nice. Here's another one. I mean, they're clean looking, they're simple to build, and they are highly effective at closing customers. So to build a website or funnel, you just come right in here and you click new website. They have AI builders that can do it too if you don't want to do that, but I'm just going to show you the basic way. We can click from templates, and they have all these amazing pre-made websites, and they're all free, these templates. You can pick any of them. You find something you like, and then you just click choose template. And boom, look at that. A beautiful website already pre-made. And to add any features, you click add elements and you have everything you could possibly want, including pre-built out sections so you don't have to do the extra work. And it works just like any builder. You click what you want. You can either click delete, edit it on the side, or you simply come right in here and you just drag and drop. Come in here, we click this button, we drag, and we drop. It is that easy. It is literally one of the simplest website builders, and their AI features that help you build along, which I have other videos on if you're interested, make this the easiest website builder in my opinion in 2026. And their funnels too are also amazing. So yes, you can cancel your ClickFunnels account as well. So then we move on to memberships. Now this is a really cool feature HighLevel added where you can create your own community or courses. And I myself have even built my own community on here, the one that you get access to with that 30-day free trial. That is how good I think it is. And I mean, it's so easy. You can either come into courses or communities and add your own course very simply by clicking create community. And again, guys, I have that super advanced tutorial that I'm linking at the end of this video if you want to learn everything step by step. So stick around and I'll show you that. But this is how amazing this community builder is, because you can get rid of stuff like Kajabi or School using it. You also can go to a thing called the GoCollab Marketplace, and you can just click and you can essentially have your community or courses indexed on GoCollab, which is a platform where you can potentially earn passive income off your course. Guys, no one else does it like HighLevel. They give you all the tools and means to help you make as much money as easily as possible. And again, it's not guaranteeing that you're going to do that, but it really makes it so much easier because it's all in one place. So now we move on to reputation. So this is essentially the ability to collect reviews for local businesses or improve your reputation on really any platform. And guys, HighLevel's ability to create a review machine on autopilot is unmatched. Not only will this help your business a lot, businesses will pay you a lot if you properly do this. And you can see right here, I use this for my salon. This is it. And look at this, 175 5-star reviews. And all of this came from the automation and system I set up on HighLevel that works behind the scenes, and I don't have to touch it. I've just set it and forget it. We then move on to reporting, which is very similar to the dashboard. It's just going to show you all the analytics and send you reports so you know what's working and what's not working. You can even connect stuff like Google ads or Facebook ads, which makes it so helpful. We then move on to the app marketplace. So this is a place where if you want to have extra add-ons into HighLevel, you can find them. Also, this is something that very few people know. You can also take your websites, your automations, your AI agents, and you can list them in the marketplace for free and potentially collect passive income off your hard work. Yes, you can sell stuff yourself for free on the app marketplace. Again, it's one of those things where HighLevel allows all these different ways for you to easily monetize your hard work. That is why I absolutely love it. Last but not least, we have the settings tab. So all the settings tab does is dictate the admin side of all of these. That is all it does. You can connect stuff like your emails, get phone numbers, deal with your basic business info. It is all done through the settings tab. So once you want to fine tune stuff, you go to the settings tab and then you fine tune everything else in your sub account. So that's GoHighLevel. Now I want to let you know the best way to truly learn this software is to actually play with it. Not just watching videos, but to actually get your hands dirty and implement it. Now, if you are interested in HighLevel, I have that 30-day free trial down below. And what I will say is that when you sign up, and the beauty of this is not only you get 30 days, but you're going to get my private community. Okay, you're going to get all of my trainings, resources, and systems, and the 7 live coaching calls per week to give you all of the handholding you possibly need. This is the head start that I wish I had when I first got started. And the cool part is I'm not going to be charging you $5,000 to $10,000 for the mastermind. You get it all for free when you sign up with that link right down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So if that's you, go click the link down below. Now, as I promised before, if you are interested in really going super in depth with HighLevel and learning what every single button pretty much does, I have an 11-hour GoHighLevel tutorial that I'm linking at the end of this video that is possibly the holy grail of all HighLevel tutorials you can find on YouTube. It is unmatched in depth and length. It is insane. So if that's you and you really want to learn how to do everything step by step and literally become a GHL wizard yourself, make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.